Welcome back everyone to ChemQuick channel.
Welcome back, children, to the Booster for Board series of ChemiQuick, where we will learn today about the decomposition reaction. So, decomposition reaction is very important for boards. So, let us first understand what is it. So, decomposition, this term is mostly related to the decomposers. In the biology, we all read that decomposers. What decomposers do? Decomposers basically decomposes the bodily remains so that it can go back to the nature. So basically it is breaking down. So here also same thing happens. Decomposition reaction means there is one substance which will break down into many simple substances, and this thing is happening by the influence of energy from outside. So maybe you are heating, or maybe you are giving pressure, or the electricity is passed, or in the presence of sunlight specific wavelength. So these things, when influence of all these external energies, one substance breaks down into many simpler substances, then it is called decomposition reaction. So the first thing we have to remember, here is only one thing. Only one thing. Now with the influence of energy, outside energy, there are many simple substances are formed. Maybe two, maybe more than two. Maybe more than two new substances are formed. So we can represent like this. A given, say heat you are giving. After heating, A is becoming C plus D. C plus D, maybe C plus D plus E3. So here this energy is absorbed. The energy is used by this, and then these products are formed. So these kind of reactions are mostly called endothermic. Means the energy is taken, taken inside and getting divided or splitting into many. So this is called, here can be the influence of heat, or influence of light, or influence of electricity. So depending on that, we are getting multiple type of decomposition reaction. Who are they? The given energy is heat. Then it is called thermal decomposition. We know all thermal power point. Thermal power point means the heat energy is made thermal. So thermal means the heat is used to break down that particular substance. May be A, heat B and C. So this will be called what? Thermal decomposition reaction. So let us see. Thermal decomposition. When heat is given. When heat is given to break down. Next is, instead of heat, here electricity is passed. Electricity. So if electricity is passed and this is breaking down into many, then it is called electrolytic decomposition. Lytic means always break down. Lysosome breaks down the other parts. Lytic means always breaking down. So electrolytic, if electricity is used. Electrolytic decomposition, when electricity is used. Electricity is used. Next is photolytic. Now we know photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means food is prepared in presence of the sunlight. So anything related to sunlight will be photo. So that is photosynthesis means synthesis. कुछ बन रहा है, কিছু তৈরি হচ্ছে, synthesis হচ্ছে, তাহলে সেটা photosynthesis, গাছ খাবার বানায়। Now এখানে সানলাইট ব্রেকডাউন করছে কোনো একটা কম্পাউন্ডকে, তাহলে সেটা হলো লাইসিস হচ্ছে। তো ফটোলাইটিক decomposition or photolysis, and this is also called electrolysis or electrolytic decomposition, photolysis or photolytic decomposition. So photolytic decomposition, or where what is used? Sunlight is used. Sunlight is used. So this sign also denotes the sunlight. Okay, so instead of sunlight, if somewhere you see this sign, you will understand that sunlight is getting used over there. Okay, so these three types of decomposition are there. Now we will learn the examples, not many, so important examples which will be there.
Subscribe the channel for the upcoming videos and like and share if you like the video.